It's Thursday, May the 12th. The thing about today is I don't know what we're going to talk about.
We just got off our WTOB radio show that we do every Thursday. We had a really interesting question that came in from a contestant who won the
Song of the Week award.
Song of the Week award. He has a stock that he really likes. It's a big box stock that deals in consumer staples.
And they have memberships.
And they have
Probably
so
you can probably
you
figure
can
out
figure
what that
that
is.
is. And he says he asked the question: is it time to buy more of it right now? He likes it. He feels confident in it. And we'll tell you what our answer is, and our answer will give you an understanding of where we think what's in front of us at this point in time.
Yeah, so the answer to him was I think that's a reasonable investment to look at. We think it's probably all stocks still have further to go.
Right.
As you know, the just as a group to go downward, but perhaps putting in his particular case, putting in a limit order to buy at a certain price so he doesn't have to watch it every day. It just once it hits that price,
Whatever that tractor price is.
and then you buy the number of shares you want at that price. And we're sort of the same way with where we are right now. I mean, we're contemplating maybe taking a bit more off of the table, but we haven't reached that conclusion yet because we've got so much cash already in place. However, we are considering it, but we do believe we still have further to go down, and that the opportunities will present themselves. But we just don't feel comfortable at that point right now.
There was a survey that we cited also in the show here just a few minutes ago that 3,000 Americans were asked the question about inflation. 75% of them said inflation is now affecting their lifestyle.
Yep.
Now, pause for a minute. They said it's affecting their lifestyle. They did not say they have changed their lifestyle. They're not spending what they're spending money on. They're keenly aware of it, but Americans are still spending money and driving money in the economy, and so there are still opportunities. We believe that the market is presenting itself, and when you see that answer change from, hey, it is now changed my lifestyle and I'm not doing something, then therein lies maybe the bottom, and therein lies maybe a time to begin to buy back in, and that we're looking for that right
Yeah, and that's called complete capitulation. And when we see that, that's usually a good buying sign. But we're definitely getting closer and closer to that point where there is capitulation, and that's when the buying opportunities occur. It's when it looks the darkest is when then you start to purchase again. However, I don't think we're there, and I don't see a real change because inflation is still going to be with us. We saw the producer price index today, which was up 11% year over year. That was a new record, not the kind of records we want to see broken. So I think we're reaching around for the bottom, but we're not there yet.
And then the other thing that you are going to begin to see, and it's a lot closer. In fact, it is beginning to happen slowly here within HMC, and it's going within the next 30 to 60 days. It's going to happen. We are seeing. Remember, we were talking about buying fixed income securities, bonds, buying a ladder, buying 1 years, 2 years. Well, we're now seeing that 1 year guarantee that you can get in a high quality investment grade bond in the 3-spot area. And that's beginning to get attractive. And in fact, an opportunity this week, we've already taken advantage of it for a client, and we're really close that you'll begin to see part of the cash that we've had on the sideline allocated to that. And I think that then takes some risk off the table and gets some money working for us, but it leaves us money for also opportunity to buy in. Absolutely. When we think we get near the bottom. We aren't going to find the bottom, folks, as in directly pick the exact time.
No.
We're going to be near it, and that's what we're looking for. So if you have questions, call us. If you have concerns or worry, call us. We're here. We're looking at it on a daily basis. We're making plans. As Gibbs says, we're contemplating even a little more defensive positions that we're going to do. But as you go through it, you always know that we know it is your money.
And your money matters.
We'll stay in touch. Call us if you need us. See you next week.